So I found a non-starting issue with the fuel. The pipe is rotten going into the tank, so I need to drop the tank, I think, and change those pipes. Right, snow's gone and we are back on the Robin. Let's see if we can get it running. The state on those. Let's get in for a look. That chassis looks lovely. Anything you could do with a bit of clean up. Handbrake seems to work well, so I'm hoping we don't have to do much with the brakes. Change the flexi hoses. Can't see what they're looking like from here. Yeah, go on there and have a look for me. How are they looking? You alright? Our problem is this pipe here, look. I was hoping by jacking it up. Yeah, this tank needs a good clean up, but I was hoping I could change that pipe without dropping the tank. I can see from here there is no chance, so I've got to drop the tank. Tank has got to come out. So I got one bolt there. Is that a bolt there? Can you see that? How am I meant to get that? I'm hoping that just like there's a slide point. Doesn't appear to be any bolts at the back. Oh, you're looking at me now. What are you looking at me for? This tank definitely needs to come off for a clean, doesn't it? Right. That's the exhaust pipe, do that. There's a good bit of fuel in there as well now. So it's going to be heavy. So that sucks. Yeah. Bit of a gear leak. Shouldn't look too bad now there. Right. Let's try and get that fuel tank out. I can actually get my fingers onto that pipe and there's no clip on it holding onto the tank, so I am going to try my luck, see if I can do it without pulling the tank off. I just love a bit of cardboard. Vacuum hose. Check this is all still safe. I knew that was going to happen. Didn't stop me though, did it? Knife. I could cut the pipe from here. give it a spray of the WD-40 and then I'm going to see if I can slide the pipe on. Once I've removed the cobwebs. So there's the line I've just fitted. This over here is the hose. That's grass. So I need to trim a bit off here. And I will fit a clamp on there. Cool, that fits nice. Let me go get a clamp. Well, I'm glad I didn't have to drop that down. Like I say, it needs changing, I think, so if I'm going to drop it down, I'll put a new one in there. But hopefully, that now means all the fuel line has been changed. Let's stick a bit of vacuum hose on and see if the car'll start. I'll put you there. The vacuum hose I got a little bit on the small side. It's better than nothing. Well, it might be too small. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's way too small. We won't do the vacuum line today. That's what you get for ordering off Amazon at night. Taking guesses. Should have been a 4mm internal diameter, not a 2mm. See if I can get this off, it's not you, mate. That was that homemade alarm that stopped us starting it. On the first day they put this button under there, an on and off switch, and I had that run into the distributor, not the distributor, to the coil, and then a lead from the other side of it running off to the battery. So now we've fixed that. I'm going to bin. That'll come off when we come to do the vacuum pipe. This off now. Yeah, I definitely won't get the vacuum pipe I've bought onto there. So now we just try to start it. I couldn't find the key. And what my wife has done is she's put one of these clips on it because they wouldn't hang up on the key thing, and then she's hanging the key up where it's meant to go. And that's somewhere I'd never look, where it's meant to go. There's no fun in that, is there? Right then. We are out of gear. Actually, before we start it, I'm going to drop it down back onto his wheel. Right, she's back on all four wheels. So hopefully we're going to pull the fuel through. And I've got the battery back on charge. I might give it a bit of spray of gore juice so we can help pull stuff through. I know, don't use it, you get addicted. What's what? With this? So Reliant Robin?
Oh, fucking awesome!
Yeah.
I love them, big. My nanny's having one of them.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get it started though.
Fuck, that's not gonna start, mate. Fuck me, it is not.
I've just changed all the fuel lines, we've got to fill all the fuel.
What's the box? Is there an engine here?
That's the airbox.
Wow!
Ah, my battery's too low now.
That's fucking brilliant, I love it. Where'd you get them from, mate?
I spent too much time on Facebook.
I bet Sina's happy with you, mate.
She's got 5 ferrets.
Fair enough.
I pay my way.
Ferrets, you got 6 cars.
Yeah.
Including a Porsche.
No, that car's hers. I've only got 5 cars.
Fair enough, fair enough.
See, it's running on the damp start, but I need to get that battery charged up.
So what's wrong with it then? Obviously a lot.
Right, I know you're as impatient as me, so I've got the battery out of the Porsche, which is a monster. We got that hooked up. Let's keep on trying. Right, a little bit smoky, but I got the choke on. Oh, look, I got fuel coming out of there. So I need to check up on that. Right, next step, check for leaks. So we'll fire it back up just to prove it still works. The carb needs setting. What's happening is the choker's going in and she's stalling when the choker's in. So pull the choke back out a bit. See, so car probably needs a good clean. But I'm gonna end that one here, guys. Ha! Success! Nice one. Right. What's next? Tea, probably. But I think tyres, clean the interior, get this seat fixed. And electrics are probably the best thing next, because none of the electrics works. Cool. Take care, guys.